Hi, today we're going to talk about some conditional formatting that we can do in Excel, which will enable the computer to follow a series of rules that you establish to color code text and data that you enter into your tables. So here we have a fictitious selection of students and test scores, which we're now going to apply conditional formatting rules to. I am going to begin by selecting the cells to which I want these rules to apply. And then under the Styles menu, I'm going to select Conditional Formatting. In that drop-down menu, I'll then choose Highlight Cell Rules. And here you see that you can apply rules to situations that are greater than, less than, between a series of numbers, or equal to a number. There are some others too, but we'll get to that at a later date. Let's start with greater than. So this cell will then churn color based on whatever number we enter here. So for any scores higher than 70, we can choose to have the table turn green. Now you can also choose a custom color. So if you want to use purple or blue, you can do that. And then you can also custom format it where your text is different from the highlighting color. So this is dark green highlighting with green text. Now, if you look at our data, you see that any number that is higher than 70 is now highlighted green and in green text. So we can now select that same column and let's apply our second rule. And our second rule will be that any number between 50 and 69 will appear yellow. So we're going to do a between rule. So we want this to apply to numbers that are between 50 and 69 because 70 has already been used in our first rule. We're going to have this highlight yellow with dark yellow text. Now our final rule will be for any scores lower than 50. So we're going to again highlight all of this, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then we're going to do less than. So any numbers less than 50 will be filled with red and dark red text. And we're going to press apply. And now you can see that our cells have been formatted. And if I want to adjust anything, I can highlight those cells and I have the option of clearing the rules, making new rules, or managing the rules that we currently have. I'm going to click on manage the rules and you can see what we have here. You can delete them by clicking on them and deleting the rule. That's fine. You can also edit the rule. So let's say that we have this yellow one right here and we want to edit the rule. I can actually click on it and I can format the colors. And I can choose the font or the color that my text appears in. And let's say that I want my text to appear red. I can simply adjust the color, press OK again, and I can apply it. And now you see that I have some yellow highlighting, but with red text to help it stand out a bit more. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy using conditional formatting.